friends. I am currently sitting outside on my porch right now because it is so beautiful outside. So I hope you guys are able to get outside and do fun stuff too. Maybe you can even be doing your homework outside. How awesome would that be? Um, I also get this to be looking at right now while I work, and so that makes the job a little bit easier. The sun and the puppy, they just make my day. Okay, you guys, I can't believe this, but we're down to 2 weeks left of school. Um, it's just crazy how fast this has gone by. I don't know. Sometimes it feels like it goes slow, and sometimes it feels like it's going fast, but it just depends on the day. Um, so there's no school on Monday because of Memorial Day, so you get that day off. For Tuesday, basically this week you're going to continue working on your presentation. I just want to remind you, if you're wanting to get up to 90% credit on the final presentation, you do not have to do a screencast. You can just do your presentation, your slideshow, and you can make it and you can submit it, and then you'll be done for your final for the year. If you're looking to get up to 100% on the final presentation, then you do need to do a screencast of yourself presenting a record of basically your research and your PowerPoint. So you'll do a screencast just kind of like I am right now. Screencastify and Screencast-O-Matic are the ones that I usually use, but I'm sure there's other ones too. There's Loom, there's other videos that you can use. Basically, you'll record yourself presenting the research that you did with your PowerPoint. On Wednesday, this website is really helpful for giving tips, especially if you are going to do a screencast. It kind of gives you tips and help on how to do an effective and really good presentation. So please look through the tips there. For Thursday, I want you to start thinking about the themes. If you haven't really thought so much about the themes of how you're going to lay out your presentation yet, I kind of joke here because I've had people in the past doing, their topic is something like Alcatraz or Al Capone or serial killers, and then they have these like bright, sunny, happy colors and pictures on their slideshow, and it doesn't really fit. So if you are doing your presentation on something that is more dark, the themes of your slideshow should be dark. If you are doing something that's more positive, like somebody's doing the state fair, then you want to have probably more bright colors, more exciting fonts, that sort of thing. So just, think about how you're doing your themes so that it really matches the tone of your project. That's really it for this week. I basically just want you to make sure that you're working on this final presentation. It's due on the very last day of school, so by June 4th. I really recommend that you do it before that and you submit it before that just to make sure that you get it into me. But, you have until June 4th, and that is next week on Thursday. So let me know what you need. If you are having any questions, if you're having any problems, we can set up a Google Meet if you want to meet and work on things together. Let me know how I can help you. I am definitely here for you. I'm going to show you the puppy one more time before I go because she's just so cute. Hi, Harley. I think I might have woken her up. Have a really, really great week, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.